Hey, it's Lance McGowan, and as you can see from the background, there's lots of ways that you can get started with the company with regards to essential oils, and I'm going to cover the main ways to do so with doTERRA and their benefits, as well as Young Living and Melaleuca Company. So the main options for doTERRA are retail, wholesale customer, and wellness advocate, with wholesale customer being the most popular option and wellness advocate being more of the part-time or business side of things. With Young Living and their options, you have retail and a wholesale member, and then the distributor part of a wholesale member is more the business side, whereas just kind of the customer is the wholesale member side. And so that's kind of the naming structure, but they mostly go with wholesale member. And then Melaleuca Company and their options are regular member, which is very similar to retail of the other companies, and then preferred member, which is very similar to the wholesale member with regards to the other companies. So there's a discount that comes with that preferred member. With doTERRA, the retail option means there's no discounts or auto ship, you're just getting the products. Young Living is the same with their retail, no discounts or auto ship, just products. And then Melaleuca Company is a regular member, but it also means that there's no discounts or auto ship, just the products. So when you look at doTERRA as a wholesale customer, which is the most popular option, the discount is 25 to 55% off retail, and that builds up over time with the loyalty rewards program, with the minimum being 25% off. And so I have other videos that kind of show how that happens with the LRP or loyalty rewards program. With Young Living, the wholesale member discount is 24 to 49% off, so not quite as much as doTERRA, but you can see here how that differs with Melaleuca Company, where the discount for Melaleuca is a 35 point value, which is roughly $35 order per month, to qualify for 30 to 50% off. And so there is a stipulation that comes with getting that preferred member discount, whereas that's not present in the other companies, where you just get the discount for being a member with doTERRA and Young Living, but with Melaleuca Company you need to purchase something in order to get that discount. So when it comes to the membership with doTERRA, it's $35 for an intro packet. There's no oils, it's just kind of informational packets that gets you started. It's very similar to Costco or Sam's Club, where you get like a little card, but with doTERRA it's just a membership packet. With Young Living, the membership is $45 for a basic kit, which does include some samples and some paper materials, but it's very basic with regards to that. It's just kind of gets you into the door with regards to the membership. And then with Melaleuca Company, the membership is $19. When it comes to renewal, doTERRA is $25, but you get a free 15 milliliter bottle of peppermint, which is about $20.50 in value. So your membership, net is roughly about $4.50. When you look at Young Living, it's a 50 PV or point value order during a rolling 12 months. So as long as you place a 50 point value order within a rolling 12 months, then you'll qualify for the next basically round or next year of membership. It's a little bit different in doTERRA in that there's a purchase involved, not just renewal fee. So when you look at Melaleuca Company, their renewal is $19. And so you can kind of see the differences of how each company does things. If you look at total value, doTERRA gives you that with a free product. With Young Living, it's just the most expensive option because you just need to place an order. But if you're already ordering, then it's not as bad. And then renewal price for Melaleuca Company is $19. And then with regards to doTERRA and their kits, they start at about $150. With Young Living, they start at $150 too. And then the kit for Melaleuca Company starts at $99. And so the kits basically waive the membership fee, and then you can get started with the membership as well as additional oils. Whereas you look at the membership above for each that I talked about, it's pretty much just the membership. And then when you look at auto ship, it's optional with doTERRA, and it's called the Loyalty Rewards Program, or LRP, and it starts at 50 point value or PV per month, which is roughly dollar per point, so roughly $50, and that grows your rebate over time. And so you get 25% off normally, but you can get up to 55% off after a year, and so that's key to keep in mind. And then the auto ship is optional with Young Living as well, and it's called a ERP, or Essential Rewards Program, and starts at 50 point value per month, very similar to doTERRA, and kind of goes from 24% off all the way up to 49% off. I do have a video that distinguishes both doTERRA and Young Living as well, and so you can check that out. And then when it comes to Melaleuca Company, their auto ship is optional as well. And then when it comes to Melaleuca Company and their auto ship, it's optional as well, and it's the LSD, or the loyalty shopping dollars, and that starts at 35 point value per month, which is roughly $35 a month. And that $35 a month, again, is what allows you to get the discount. So if you don't purchase that amount, then you don't get any discount as a preferred member. And then finally, when you look at doTERRA and being a wellness advocate, which is if you want to earn your oils for free, work part-time or full-time in the business side of things, it's 100 PV or 100 point value per month, month to qualify for commissions, which is roughly dollar per point, and then you just add taxes and shipping, and that'll be your kind of total price. And what I recommend for folks is actually do 125 to 150 point value, and that simplifies your power of 3 bonus. But then you also get the free product of the month, and you lead by example for the folks in your organization as well. So you're getting a lot of value, you're being a product of the product, and it qualifies for bonuses, as well as folks kind of duplicate and emulate what you're doing. When it comes to Young Living and becoming a distributor, which is again earning oils for free, part-time or full-time income, and pursuing that, it's 100 point value per month to qualify for commission, so exact same as doTERRA. And then when it comes to Melaleuca and being a distributor, so pursuing the business side, it's the 35 point value per month for commissions and qualifying for that. So that 35 PV for Melaleuca company is critical. It allows you to get your discount. It allows you to start your auto ship and rewards that come with that. The loyalty shopping dollars is what they call it. And then for an optional $14.95 per month, you get a kind of custom Melaleuca company website, and you get a website regardless with doTERRA and Young Living as a part of your membership, but there's also a kind of a customized website option with Melaleuca company. So that concludes the overall benefits of each company. It's so important to find a person, product, and company that you know, like, and trust, as well as somebody that provides excellent response time to make sure that you get the most value out of your health investment and you have the most positive experience. And so making sure you do your research among all those elements is really critical. And that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can see my company comparisons between different oils, blends, as well as other products, so you can really see what each company offers, and so you can gain more perspective whether you're with a company already, you're on the fence, or you're outside looking in. It's so important to kind of get that overall bird's eye picture. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video.